Hi guys, Will and John here from Picking Out the Pieces, and today we are doing an eating challenge. Let's go.
Blind eating challenge.
Blind eating challenge, yeah, but...
Do you want me to help you this time?
I'm an independent black one, like I said.
Oh, John.
Oh, fuck.
It's not cover your face eating challenge.
I cover my face when I want to. Are you ready?
Okay, right, I'm gonna pick one.
Bet you put that on in the bin.
No, that's quite a nice one. Oh, that's not bad.
Go on, sit.
Unfortunately, no. Oh. So you got to guess what it is, and if you get it right, you get a point.
Okay.
Oh my god. Got to eat it all. Right, you ready? No, that's it.
Is it? Oh shit.
Yeah, do you want to take a guess first?
Oh yeah.
What do you think it is?
I reckon it's that. I forgot what it's called. It was like that. Like,
Don't look up.
I can't even see.
You ready? Here it comes.
Yeah, I'll just eat it. Tomato ketchup.
Correct. Right.
Not actually that bad.
Finish it off. Oh my god. Oh, is it my go? Oh, fuck. Oh. Jordan, can you tie it for me, please? I'm not independent yet.
I'm not an independent.
No, I'm still an infant. Ow.
Sorry. You're still an infant. You're still a minor.
Shut up. Can you fuck?
Oh yeah, creds to Alex as well
Ow.
for letting us use her shit.
I don't like this. Oh, God, Jesus.
Ooh.
Oh, I don't like the idea of this.
Right, there we go. Is that a different spoon? I was going to say.
I thought it'd be that nice.
Right, Will. Pick up.
Oh, no. Wait. Oh, my God. Right, go.
Right, open your mouth.
Oh. Well, fuck.
Yeah. Gotta eat it, gotta eat it, gotta eat it, gotta eat it. No, you're spitting it out. You should have got. Oh, you did get a cloth.
It's fucking salt. I can't see.
I'm gonna try and eat anything I get. Do you want to finish it? That's like a little bit on there.
I want to fucking finish it. Oh, my God.
I've got actually no. You should have got a little bit of water.
So, go get some water.
Go get some
Oh.
salt, mate. Shall we put that to the side or stick it back in?
Well, I can. I'll go with my mouth.
Yeah. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, we're not even gonna finish, but still hope you enjoyed the video. First one, so we're a bit. No. We've already got subscribers. It's quite good. Cheers, guys. It's like creds to Alex for letting us use it. Hey, where did the water oranges go?
Yeah, you're going to eat all you get, so here, we'll just share it. Alright, let me put my bandana back on.
Where's the scarf gone? Oh, it's on the
floor.
He just chucked it right. He's just like,
Man, that was disgusting.
those sunburned arms.
Right, Jordan, you'll go.
I have salt on my hands.
Yeah, I'll salt everywhere. Oh, I hope you get salt, because that's disgusting. You can still taste it in your mouth, even though you've
I should get Marmite by now.
Do you like Marmite?
Oh, it's not.
Oh, it's not on my nose.
Marmite's not that bad on toast. Can you get a bit of toast? There we go.
Oh, that's a brutal one.
Hello.
Hello. Ah, it's all over my face.
We could get copyright for
But if not.
No, we won't get copyright.
You spelt it? Oh, it's quite runny, isn't it?
Do you fucking spell it?
But it's fine. Don't. No more.
God's sake.
That's gonna kill him.
Come on, it's coming.
I'm gonna spit it before it even gets into your mouth. Right, get ready. Wait, hang on, it needs to be back. Oh,
Maybe I should get a cup.
no, it's fine. Just excuse the fingers.
Oh, what was it? Oh, what the fuck is that?
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, it's all over the cloth. Oh, I'm not a bit of
Second water, please.
Right.
It tastes like salt, but it's not fucking salt.
Can you tie up again, please?
Yep.
Yeah.
I bet I reckon I'm picking a nice one.
Bloody Nutella, please. Nutella.
Oh, yeah, Charlotte's favourite.
Right, okay.
These nuts. You eat them up, mate.
My lips still
Tell
taste
Alex loves Mars. It's not actually that bad, to be fair.
Oh no, when you say that.
No,
it's
it's
bad.
actually not that bad.
Golden syrup.
No.
Oh.
Don't tell him.
You have to guess. Or is it tomato ketchup again?
Wow.
It's tomato ketchup again.
Right, you ready?
Uh-huh. Oh, barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
I like barbecue sauce.
It's not actually that bad, though. There we go.
Oh, not fucking
One of these as
Oh, it's quite strong.
well. Right, ready for my go?
Oh, are we taking them? Are we actually going to take them out, or just leave them in?
Well, yeah, when you put them back in.
Oh, bloody hell!
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Okay. I bet that looks beautiful.
You can take them out because then we should have one done.
Well, yeah, no, because I don't know. Nah, it's fine. You ready? He's going for a new look. Oh, fuck.
Is it bad?
I am really sorry.
I hope it's not soy sauce again.
Oh, no, trust me, salt's worse. It stings your mouth. I'm going to spool this again. Yeah, that.
Is it soy sauce again?
Oh my god, quick, open your mouth, quick!
Oh. Can I have some more?
Oh, that's disgusting.
Please get some more spoons.
Oh,
No,
it's honey.
It's golden syrup.
No,
Where's the scarf?
I like it.
Fabulous.
Sunburn.
We're going to have a puke bucket or not?
Nah.
Sure, great.
What do you
Go.
Ah!
Oh no, I do this.
When I'm with my... What the hell are you doing? Don't touch my man bun.
Your man bun.
Yeah.
Is that what it's called now?
I don't know. Ah, get us. What have we done?
Just looks funny.
Ow. Oh, that's evil, isn't it?
Oh shit.
Please be Nutella.
Go. Come on.
No, it's not Nutella, it's in a plastic bottle.
It's only Fanta.
So what's that?
We don't even have Fanta. So. Well, we do, but it's not part of it. You're screwed on this one, mate.
Oh, fuck off. What is it?
It will taste really shit. Go on, open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Do it quickly,
Ah, quick, it's spilling.
Oh, it's Nutella.
No, it's not.
Okay.
No?
Golden syrup.
Yeah.
Oh. The thickness makes you think it's Nutella. What's wrong with my
That's
mouth?
what I was thinking.
That's quite nice, actually.
It is, isn't it?
I really like golden syrup.
Oh, sticky hands.
Oh. Oh. One more, two more.
Two more. Don't want this video to drag too much.
I thought it was going to be some sort of like herbs or something. Alright, let's get you a nice one. That's going to be a good one.
Pesto.
Let's get a nice spoonful of it. That looks disgusting in so many ways. I thought that was strange. Open your mouth. Go on.
I knew you did.
Do you actually? What are you doing?
Someone in my...
Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh Jesus! My salty lips though. Oh. I hate my mic so fucking much.
It's so hard to swallow.
It's all over your face.
Oh, it's over here.
Right. Do you want to blindfold me?
It's on my hands as well.
Don't go with me. Oh. I'm praying I don't get any of those herbs. Is there any hot ones in there?
A cinnamon.
Oh, it's a cinnamon. I like cinnamon. Try and get me cinnamon.
Pepper.
No, definitely not pepper. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Any tighter?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Oh, shit. This is it. Fuck.
Right.
Oh, shit. Yeah, it is. I can hear the glass. Oh, man. Oh, why me? Oh, shit. Where's the glass? Okay. So it's just fucking again. I'm gonna spit it everywhere. I need a bucket or something. Oh,
Do it on the table. There's
Jesus.
a cloth in front of you, right?
Can I smell it already?
No?
I was gonna say it right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, pepper.
Oh, man. I think you jinxed yourself because...
Oh, it's all. Oh, I'm dying.
I feel so bad for you. Get have a drink of water.
Yeah, it's bad in my mouth.
Have a drink of water. Sorry.
Oh, that was the worst.
No.
It's so fucking hot. I'm dribbling.
No pepper was killed in the making of this video. Just
It burns so
Wait, where's the blindfold?
Oh.
There's a bit of soy sauce on that.
Oh no!
I want to make it!
You need a spoon.
My lips have gone numb.
2 more spoons.
2 more spoons.
Okay, for the final, we're gonna have to look at these. Excellent.
It was just an exaggeration.
Exaggeration.
Why did I do it like that?
My lip is burning.
Is it burning?
Just the one lip is burning. Man, I've got a runny nose now. No, sorry, Jordan.
I have Marmite in my mouth.
Oh, they're these.
Bacala. Have you picked one?
Yeah. Or have I?
Consider pick.
Right. This one's going to be a nice one, hopefully.
You say that.
Fuck, I spilled it. Oh, I'll just put some more on.
Put a little bit more.
Maybe I could revive it. There you go.
I think that table's clean.
Over your mouth. You're gonna eat it.
Let's see.
It's just so cool about that.
Fucking hot. For a while, swallow.
That's the first time I've heard you say that. Spit the glass. Fucking Christ! Oh my god! Oh, I'm done. What's not your drink?
Disgusting.
Oh, Jesus. It's all runny still.
No, God, it's not good.
I can't laugh anymore. Oh, it's all runny. That smells minty.
It tastes fucking minty.
I don't want to sniff it.
You're gonna find those all night, you'll see.
Go on, last one.
Blindfold for well.
It started off alright and then it just went to that. And you have that with your food?
Well, yeah, normally it's actually nice.
With your food?
Normally.
Mixes it.
Ow! You're crushing my brain!
I will crush your brain. I will crush your brain.
Are you done yet?
Oh, fuck's sake.
Ow.
Sorry.
Just the table? The scarf's more funny now. Ah! Right, okay, let's do it. Okay, there was no reaction there, so it can't be that bad. I got the pepper in my mouth. Okay, there was a reaction to that. Are you picking him over and over again?
No.
Do you fucking are? You fucking cheat! Fuck off, Jordan.
Joking. Should we give him the first one?
Yeah, give me the fucking first one, whatever it was.
Yeah, but
Fine.
so then we're cheating. Well, it's actually a really disgusting one.
No, I don't want it.
No, it's your own fault.
No, I don't want it.
This is your first one.
I don't want it. Please.
Yeah, I spilled it.
No, I don't want it.
You have to.
Oh fuck! It's gonna be like soy sauce. It's soy sauce, isn't it?
No.
It's soy. You do it on my neck! Oh, it's on my neck!
Open your mouth. You need to open.
There's
your
soy
mouth.
sauce. Oh.
You just need to open your mouth. Oh, you just fucking blew it everywhere.
I'm fucking done. I'm done.
You did just blow it everywhere. Come on.
Blow it!
You're like.
My fucking neck. Look. What is that? It's a mixture of everything.
That's not. It's just one. You have to. Yeah.
So what was the second one you picked? Oh fuck.
Golden syrup.
Oh fuck.
And then the last one was barbecue sauce.
Oh, I've already had most.
That's not the soy sauce.
Well, that was not fun.
I thoroughly enjoyed that.
What one
Now I
is
stick
it?
with soy sauce.
What one
I
is
don't
it?
know it.
Sniff it.
I think we should have to have a shot of this. Both of us. Shall we both have a shot of this?
You're going first, mate. Go on then. Just for the lols. It's not lol anymore.
2 more egg spoons, get them out.
Where did my bandana go? That's really depressing. Oh, it's
Right,
on the floor.
You ready?
Yeah, you go first. This is came out your mouth. I'm not fucking doing it. I'm not doing it. Joe's gonna be sick. Oh shit. Oh, he's gonna be sick. Oh man. Oh, that's why I'm gonna be done. What the fuck do you expect?
No! Fuck this, guys.
Oh my god. Cheers, mate. Oh, Jordan's all over the You're recovering, Jordan. Oh shit. Oh, it's falling everywhere. Yeah, I think you need to do that, mate. I dribbled everywhere. Oh god. Fuck me, man. That was disgusting.
Right. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't recommend trying this unless you want to laugh. Quite funny. Right. See you in a bit.
Bye!